guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane makeup related. If that's your vibe, maybe bring it down a little bit, then I hope you subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my April update to the Deck of Panning Project Pan. So if you want to see the progress we made, we have almost a full refresh, which is exciting. Then let's go ahead and get right on into it. If you don't know about this project, it was created by Emily and Max. You use a deck of cards to pick prompts from the monthly game board that gets shuffled. The face cards stay the same all year long. We'll talk more about that once we get into the shuffling of the cards. This goes from January 20th to December 20th of this year. You start with 5 prompts and you go from there. Nothing too crazy. So in my very first intro, in my introduction to this project, I pulled the Joker as my very first card because this project was like, I'm gonna show you. And so for my Joker product, I pulled in my Kokie concealer to finish because this is a skincare based concealer. It is one of my older concealers. It doesn't smell the greatest, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good anymore. And I feel like it didn't have a scent previously, so I don't know. I have 99 uses on this guy, so it's about time for it to hit the road, Jack. I have the shade Bad Badam. I used it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times in April so far because I do film these a little early. So I've used it 10 times in April so far for a total use of for 33 uses so far in the project since it rolled in. And sometimes I can see windowing in this guy. Like you can see a little notch down here. Sometimes I can't see windowing. It all just depends. I did determine my eye brightener was bad, so I'm hoping this hasn't also gone off. If I do have to declutter this due to age, then I will count that as a goal met because I kept it in for as long as possible. But I'm going to keep it in for at least another month and see how my skin reacts. Because like I said, I don't remember it having a scent. And it doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good either. And I don't remember it smelling at all. So I'm going to leave it in for another month for sure to see how my skin reacts. We might have to retire it for next update. But you're seeing the weight differences. I've been using it. I use it every day that I do makeup. So, and now that I don't have an eye brightener, I'm using even more product. So, and I have noticed I have just these tiny little breakouts right here. So, but everything else that I had in is either a declutter or a goal met. And for me, declutters are goals met. So for the other card of my pick up 2, which was at the time 6 of Hearts, which was Match's shirt, I was wearing my shirt that has flowers all over it. And they're like yellow and green flowers. So I matched the yellow to the flowers and brought in this Kaleidos Solar Sailor highlighter, which looks like this. It is a white gold highlighter. I had a goal to use this 7 times and I used it twice in March. I didn't even use this in April. I decided on April 2nd that I was decluttering this. One, it has hard pan. I don't know if you can see that, but it has hard pan. So I really have to get in here to get some on my finger. And I don't like it as a highlighter. I've tried using it over top of other highlighters and I just don't like this color as a highlighter for me. I just don't. I need a new makeup wipe. And I put it as an eyeshadow, like it's listed as a single shadow in my collection because originally when I was like, I don't like it as a highlighter, I'll use it as a single shadow because it is pretty. One, I don't really wear golds and it's just not the tone of gold that I like either. So I'm just gonna throw this in my declutter box and maybe one of my friends will get more use out of it than I will. But I'm counting that as a declutter, which is a goal met. And that is the end of my pick up 2. Then for the 5 of hearts, that was my favorite color, my favorite color is burnt orange, but like I settle for orange. Orange is my favorite color. So I brought in this Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Tangerine Queen with a 10-use goal. Didn't use it in April at all. Used it once in March for 2 out of my 10 uses. This one does lock. Okay, it must be one of my other ones that doesn't lock correctly. But this one has a scent. And I do not like this color on me. I tried it, and it washes my lips out. It makes my teeth look hella yellow. And I just don't like this color on me. I have another orange that's in another project that I like much better. But this orange, I just do not like on me. I don't think it looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter this and count it as a goal met. I at least used it a couple times, but I don't like the color on me, and I'm not going to force myself to wear a color that I don't like. So that one is a goal met and a rollout. Well, not a goal met, but you know what I mean. Then we had the 7 of hearts, which was influenced. And so I brought in this Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. When this first came out, everybody raved about it. So when I found this at my Marshalls and it was in my shade, I was like, I have to have that. It's got a beautiful pump. I have mine in the shade 0N1 Silk, and this is perfect. It's a beautiful shade. It's a beautiful formula. I only had to use it 2 times, and I did that on the 18th of March is when I met my goal. And this is gorgeous, and I really enjoy it. It's a beautiful foundation. So that is a goal met and a rollout. And then last but not least for what we were working on was the 10 of diamonds, which was Cloud Dancer, which is the Pantone color of the year, which is like an off-white color. So I brought in this Rare Beauty mini mascara. As you can see, it is like an off-white. I don't have a lot of this color in my collection, so it was kind of hard for me to find something. But this is just the black mascara. It is the mini. This is what the wand looks like. And I had to use it 5 times, and I did that all in March. I used it all 5 times in March. And I met my goal on the 18th of March. And I am counting this as an empty because it is too chunky for me to use now. But I did get, I got more than 5 uses out of it, but I got my final 5 uses out of it in March. So that is a goal met, a rollout, and an empty. So we're going to be rolling in 4 new cards, which is always exciting. I do have my Star Wars Villains cards here, and I just wanted to show you my Joker was actually very close to the top last month. So while I shuffle these, we are going to go over the board. So we're going to start with the face cards. These stay the same all year long. So we have Are You Joking, which is the Joker, which is something that you don't necessarily want to pan, but you're not hate panning. Like, I like that Kokie mascara, and it needed to be panned, but it just wasn't something that I necessarily wanted to throw into a project or pan. And I already know if I get the Joker again, which I shouldn't say that out loud, because if I say it out loud, I'll pull it, but I already know what I'm going to pull if I get the Joker again. And then we go into the board for this month, which, let me pull it up, because I haven't even looked at the board myself. So, some things that I would like, Fantasy Self would be cool. Face of the Brand, I don't know what that is, but that would be interesting. Seasonal, brand you own the most from. Oh, the Shame. fragrance would be nice because I'm really into fragrance right now. I'm gonna do one more shuffle now, and then we're gonna cut the deck right about there. And the top 4 cards are our cards. So our very first one is the 4 of Spades, which, who are you? Klaatu. He's a sail barge guard. So we have the 4 of Spades, which I'll look at what these are in a moment. Then we have the 10 of Hearts, which is Bosk. He's a bounty hunter. So we got the 10 of Hearts. The 10 of Hearts. Okay. Then we got the 3 of Hearts. This is General Veers. He is the Empire. Okay. So we got the 3 of Hearts. And last but not least, we got another Spades. We got a Cthulhu guy. We got the 8 of Spades. This is Tessic, Jabba's henchman. So the 8 of Spades. So let's take a look at where was the Joker? Well, the Joker was actually pretty far down, so we were safe. So the 4 of Spades, 2, 3, 4 is newest. Okay. I have a whole bucket full of newest things to me, so that'll be easy. We have the 10 of Hearts, which is favorite category. Favorite category. Which my favorite categories are blush, eyeshadow, and currently fragrance. So we'll see what else we pull, but we got the 3 of Hearts, which is pop culture. I hate that one. So I'm gonna have to really think about what I want to pull for pop culture, but we shall see. And then the 8 of Spades is fragrance. Okay, cool. Fragrance. So I am going to go pull all of my products, and then I'll come back and we will figure out what we're doing, how many prompts. I'm gonna swatch things for you, so it's gonna give me just a second here. Okay, I pulled out my 4 products. I had to Google again what pop culture is because I was like, what am I doing? So for the 4 of Spades, which was newest, let me get my tiny decisions to get my random numbers. I'm pulling in a blush, and this is from p.louise. It's the So Smitten Sticks, and this is in Harvest Season. It's just a beautiful, like, nude, peachy nude. And it's that shade right there, and I think this will be really pretty. Haven't used it, so let's see how many uses out of 10 we gotta do. 2. Not too shabby. 2 uses. For the 10 of Hearts, which was favorite category, I was debating because I could have pulled in that blush for favorite category, but another of my newest favorite categories is like lip oil, lip treatment type product. So I'm bringing in this Jisoo honey infused lip oil, and I have the shade Bellini Peach. And this is just beautiful. It smells like honey vanilla. It's just a nice, clear, hydrating lip oil. I really enjoy this so far. I've only used it a couple times, but love the packaging, love the product so far. So how many times do I gotta use that? 6 times. 6 uses. I'm a-okay with that. Then for pop culture, I was looking up pop culture and it said things that are commercialized and, you know, like widespread. And so for that, I'm bringing in my Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl. And I have the shade Shimmering Rose. So it looks like this, because these are just everywhere, these clicky sticks. And that is what she looks like. Nothing too crazy, nothing too intense. Got it in my Ipsy Extra. It is what it is. 4 uses. I will take it. 4 uses. And last but not least, for the 8 of spades, here, let me wipe those off. We have fragrance. And so my current fragrance that is out on my desk that I have been using anyway, let me shake her up a little bit, is the Josie Maran Topless Tangerine Fragrance Mist. So this is a 100 ml bottle, as you can see. We're still up here in the neck of the bottle. I've only used this a handful of times, but it smells so good. If I'm a good YouTuber, I'll look up scent notes and I'll put scent notes up here for you, but it smells like tangerines and clementines and oranges and all of the citrus fruits, and it just smells delicious, and I really enjoy this. So how many times do I gotta use it for this project? Only 2 uses. Well, okay. Gonna use it more than that, but we'll do 2 uses for this project, and that is a-okay with me. So those are the 4 products that I'm bringing in. The concealer is still rolling over. Like I said, we will chat next month and see if, you know, it's still good to go, but I'm currently looking at it like, are you still acceptable? Are you okay? But those are the 4 products that I'm bringing in for April. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.